In this video we will talk about wonders and supernatural powers of Islamic prophets that they were blessed with by Allah. In Islamic tradition, the prophets are revered for their righteousness, guidance, and the miraculous signs and events associated with them. Here are some of the miracles attributed to various Islamic prophets. 1. Prophet Adam. Creation. Adam was the first human created by Allah and was brought to life from clay. Knowledge. Allah granted Adam knowledge and understanding. 2. Prophet Noah. Building the ark. Noah built a massive ark as per Allah's command to save believers and animals from the great flood. Gathering animals. Allah miraculously gathered the animals in pairs to board the ark. 3. Prophet Ibrahim. Surviving the fire. When Abraham was thrown into a huge fire by his people for rejecting their idols, Allah commanded the fire to become cool and safe for him. Miracle of the birds. Abraham demonstrated the power of Allah by calling the birds to come back to life after being slaughtered and dismembered. 4. Prophet Moses, MUSA. Parting the Red Sea. As mentioned earlier, Moses parted the Red Sea to allow the Israelites to escape from Pharaoh's army. Staff transforming into a serpent. Allah transformed Moses' staff into a serpent to demonstrate his power before Pharaoh. 5. Prophet Jesus, Isa. Virgin birth. Jesus was born to the Virgin Mary through a miraculous conception by the will of Allah. Healing the sick. Jesus healed the blind, the lepers, and raised the dead, all by Allah's permission. Lastly, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Splitting of the moon. It is said that, in response to the demand for a miracle, Prophet Muhammad pointed towards the moon, and it miraculously split into two visible halves momentarily. The night journey, Isra and Miraj. The Prophet undertook a night journey from Mecca to Jerusalem, Isra, and ascended to the heavens, Miraj, to meet with Allah and receive instructions about prayer. It is important to note that miracles are extraordinary events that defy the natural order, and they are believed to be granted by Allah to support and validate the prophethood of His chosen messengers. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.